Okay, so this question is on differentiation, and the hardest part about this is making sure that we can get it in a format that we can differentiate. And the thing that's causing us difficulty at the moment is this bit over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to split that into two fractions. So we're going to write 2x cubed over 3 root x minus 7 over 3 root x. Now root x we can just write as x to the power of a half, so square root of x is the same as x to the power of a half. So we're then going to write that out as 2x cubed over 3x to the power of a half minus 7 over 3, with x to the power of a half being on the bottom. Now we can't differentiate with stuff on the bottom, so what we're going to need to do is bring it up to the top. But just like we learned at GCSE, if we add x to the power of 4 divided by x to the power of 1, we subtract the powers to make that x to the power of 3. So here, if we've got x to the power of 3 divided by x to the power of a half, we're going to do 3 take away a half, which is 2.5. We're going to write that as a top-heavy fraction. So that's going to be 2x to the power of 5 over 2 over 3, because 2.5 is the same as 5 over 2. This one, there's nothing on the top, so we're just going to bring that up and make it negative. So that's going to be 7 over 3 x to the power of minus 1/2. And then we'll just bring these bits down as well. So we've got y equals 3x squared plus 6x to the power of a third plus 2 thirds x to 5 over 2 minus 7 over 3 x to the power of minus 1/2. Now we haven't done any differentiation yet. All we've done is we've put it in a format that we can differentiate. So now what we're going to do is actually differentiate and then simplify. So 3x squared, we're going to bring the power down and then times it by that. So that's going to be 6x. We're going to do the same for this one. So 1/3 times by 6 is 2. So 2x, then we've got to take away 1 from the power. Now this is what some people struggle with. So if we've got 1/3 and we're going to take away 1, we can actually write 1 as 3/3. So 1/3 take away 3/3 is going to be minus 2/3. So it's going to be 2x to the power of minus 2/3. And then similarly with this one, we're going to bring the 5 over 2 down. So that's going to be 2 over 3 times 5 over 2. We can write that as 10 over 6. And we're going to take away 2/2, so that's going to be the power of 3 over 2. Then we've got a minus 1/2 times minus 7 over 3. So that's going to be plus 7 over 6. Then we take away 2/2 from minus 1/2 to get minus 3/2. Just going back, we did 2/3 times 5 over 2 to get 10 over 6. That's because when we multiply fractions, 2/3 times 5 over 2, we times the top, so 2 times 5 is 10, times the bottom, 3 times 2 is 6. So then what we've got to do is we've got to simplify, so that's going to be 6x plus 2x to the minus 2/3. 10 over 6 simplifies down to 5 over 3. X of 3 over 2 plus 7 over 6 x to the power of minus 3 over 2. And that's that done. That's 6 marks.